Hi students, welcome back. Let's continue with the data structure subject. In the previous video, I explained about what is the algorithm for the infix to postfix conversion, and now let's see, just apply that algorithm in this example. So before starting with this conversion example, I want to give us some basic concept like so the basic thing that what is an operand. So operands are nothing but the variables that we used in the expression, whatever the letters that we are using, x, y, something, p, q. So those are all the operands. And coming to the operators, operators are nothing but that doing some operations like plus, minus, division, star, brackets. So everything these comes on the operators. So don't confuse with the operands and operators. Suppose if while I am explaining, if I little bit confusion, so don't bother about it. Operands means the letters and the operators means the operations that is performing. So coming to infix, infix means you know that if an operator is present in between the two operands, that expression you call it as an infix expression. And postfix means if the operator is present after the operands, that is a postfix. Prefix means it should be before the operands. So this is clear? Okay. Now coming to our topic, that is infix to postfix expression. So before going to example, the thing first see what are the rules for the infix to postfix expression. So just the algorithm whatever I had taken, I'm just taking that algorithm sorting out into a simple thing like rules. So you have to follow the rules while you are solving an example. The first thing is you need to know the priorities. The priorities of operators. The priorities of operators is suppose the exponent is there. This exponent is having the highest priority. And the next is multiplication and division is having the next priority. Both is having the same priority. Division and the multiplication is having the same priority. In the same way, plus and minus is having the lowest priority. And both plus and minus is having the same priority, that to lowest priority. So this is the first rule. And the second rule in infix to postfix is no two operators of same priority can stay together in a stack column. What it means? I am saying that no two priorities no two operators of the same priority. So here, did you observe here? These two operators have the same priority. Plus and minus, these two operators have the same priority. So in the stack column, they should not be stayed together. If they are staying together, just pop the already stored element. Suppose if they are coming like this. So these two are having the same priority. Whenever it is coming in the stack, first the division is placing on the stack. Next you are placing the star multiplication in the stack. So these two having the same priority. In this case, first before placing the star, let's pop this element. That is the top of the stack you need to be popped. Okay, so already division is there in top of the stack. So before placing the star, just check what is the top of the stack. If division is there, just pop that division and place star. Because no two operators of the same priority can stay together. And another rule, lowest priority cannot be placed before highest priority. What it means? The lowest priority cannot be placed before highest priority. Means suppose if in the top of the stack there is multiplication is there in the top of the stack. Next is lowest priority cannot be placed before highest means next suppose the minus is coming. The minus I need to be placed on the top of the stack. But star is having the highest priority. So if I place minus here, the star cannot tolerate the lowest priority because I'm it doesn't tolerate, the star cannot tolerate, because it is the highest priority and it cannot tolerate the lowest priority will be top of the stack. In that case, before placing the minus, first pop this star and place minus on the top of the stack. So this is another rule you need to be followed. And one more thing is, suppose if the any operator that will be placed in between the closed and open braces, just pop that element. So remember these rules, and we are applying these rules in the example. So let's see the example of how you are going to be solve this. Okay. I'm just taking an example of infix expression. I need to convert into postfix. So the example is, let me take a plus b divide c and multiplication, and here d plus again c minus f close. So this is an infix expression because the operator is present in between the operands. So now let's take symbol and stack. Let me take postfix expression. So whatever the thing that we are coming here, that will be our answer after conversion postfix. So before starting here, I want to be clear. If operands are coming while you are scanning from left to right, operands will place on postfix. And if operator is scanning, operator has to be placed on the top of the stack. Remember this. If you are scanning from left to right, the symbols you are scanning, if operator is coming, just place on the stack. If operand is coming, place it on the postfix. Remember this. So let's start the scanning process. So first is left parenthesis. So this is an operator, place it on the stack. Next is A. So A is an operand, place it on the postfix expression. Next symbol is plus. So the plus is an operator, place it on the top of the stack. And this is simply A. Next B. So B is an operand, place it on the postfix expression. So this A, B. Next division. So check here. So plus is the top of the stack. Plus is the lowest priority and the top of the stack coming is the highest priority. No problem. So that we can that it can be tolerated because the highest priority cannot tolerate the lowest priority symbol, but lowest can tolerate the highest. So place division AB. So now coming C. So C is an operand, place it on postfix expression. A, B, C. Okay. So now star. See here. So in the top of the stack, you are having division. Now you are placing the star. Multiplication you want to be placed. Both division and multiplication have the same priority. According to our rule, if both operators are having the same priority, they cannot stay together. So you need to be popped. So what I need to be popped? The top of the stack is division is there. That I need to be popped and I need to be placed star in the top of the stack. Is it clear? Okay. So next is left parenthesis. Star, left parenthesis, A, B, C, division. So after that D. So D is an operand. You need to be place it on postfix expression. So next is plus. Star, plus. So plus is an operator. I had placed it in the stack. So now what is next? C. C is an operand. You have to place it in the postfix expression. Okay. So up to that, is it clear? C or E. Let me take E so that you won't be confused. Let me take E. Okay. So now let's continue here. Symbol, stack, postfix. Okay. So after E, there is a right parenthesis. So that has to be placed on the top of the stack. So if I place here, it will become closing. So whenever, this is another rule. If the operator is closed within the parenthesis, you need to be pop that operator. So you have to place it in the postfix. A, B, C, slash, D, E and plus. Is it clear? So now next is minus. Minus, plus, remember this. Here in the top of the stack now, plus, star and right parenthesis, plus star is there. Now I am going to place minus here. I want to place minus. Is it possible? Because star is the highest priority. Highest priority. Minus is the lowest priority. The highest priority cannot tolerate the lowest priority come before. In that case, you need to pop the star. So pop the star and place minus here and pop the star. So here again another problem. The plus and minus is having the same priority. This is also another rule. The same priority symbols cannot tolerate stay together in the stack. In this case, the top of the stack, what is plus is the top of the stack. I didn't place here the minus, I didn't place. Okay, before placing I need to check the next number also. In the top of the, if I pop star, the next top of the stack is plus. Now the plus and minus both have the same priority. In this case, I need to pop the plus also and place, let me write here. Let me place minus here, A, B, C / D, E plus star and plus. I pop two symbols here to place minus because plus and minus both have the same priority. So they can't stay together. So already top of the stack is plus, that I place popped it. So and the final F. F is an operand. You have to place it here. D, E plus star plus and F, and final thing is the right parenthesis. So this closes the operator. So just pop it and placed here. So the final postfix expression for the given infix expression is A, B, C / D plus star plus F minus. So did you observe here all the operators are come after the operands. So this is how you need to be convert the infix expression to postfix expression. Thank you.